Hello, family. Welcome to Heal, Rise, and Thrive with Dr. Nhlanhla as we welcome a remarkable young leader on the rise, Olwami Maseko. At just the age of 16 years, Olwami is already stepping into the world of entrepreneurship. He's stepping into it with passion, creativity, and a heart for community impact. Growing up under the wing of his mother, a business leader, Silva Maseko Mhlanga, he has embraced purpose-driven leadership and is charting his own inspiring path. In this episode, Olwami shares his journey. He also shares his dreams and the vision shaping him into the future innovator and change maker that he is. Don't miss this uplifting and empowering conversation with a young star determined to make his mark in the community and the world at large.